Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's IoT Co-Creation Partner Webinar on partnerships in edge intelligence and cloud computing. My name is Deborah Liu, the Marketing Manager at Advantech, and I will be moderating today's session. At this time, I would like to first welcome Michelle Hipp, the VP of Global Sales and Marketing from Bayer Technology Incorporated. And from Advantech, we have Dr. Ellen Yan, the Chief Technology Officer, Sean Jack, the Director of Sales and Embedded Ecosystems, Matthew Arnold, the IoT Sales Manager, and Joseph Su, the Corporate Investment and North America Business Operations Manager. A quick rundown of our exciting topics we have for you today. Sean Jack will start with a high-level synopsis of the IoT co-creation business model. Then Dr. Ellen Yan will go into how edge-to-cloud-ready platform architecture accelerates IoT transformation. Matthew Arnold will cover software, hardware integration, edge intelligence. Michelle Hipp will share a case study on a solution-ready platform for worker safety. And lastly, Joseph Su will cover how you can take advantage of this co-creation business model. Before handing the mic over to Sean Jack, who is going to start today's presentation, we are going to start with a short 1-minute video from Advantech.
The Internet of Things is shaping a whole new world. And yet, the industry is facing the challenges of the inevitable fragmentation. At Advantech, we see fragmentation as an opportunity. The co-creation model is the ideal strategy to build a new blueprint for the Internet of Things. The future is measured by our partners' ability to dream. In 2019, the Advantech IoT Co-Creation Partner Conference is coming to you. So join us to co-create the future. Advantech WisePass. Realize your digital transformation with AIoT.
Okay, Sean, the floor is yours.
I want to first thank all of our existing ecosystem partners for your commitment and sponsorship to moving forward our grand vision of co-creating an IoT world. Without you, many of our innovations and successful deployments that we are seeing all across the embedded and industrial landscapes would not be possible. Each of us has our own unique set of lenses on the markets we serve. Really, we are stronger working together than if we tried to traverse the fragmented IoT landscape alone. Co-creation is how we can defragment the IoT landscape. Leaning on our collective experiences, problem solving, and ideations of previous solutions can be generated at ever-increasing speed. Ensuing innovation, savings, and increased output will be found. Together, we can achieve great things in AIoT. That's truly the genesis behind today's webinar. So we really appreciate your attendance. You can see here, Advantech has a long-term co-creation business model and plan. This plan wasn't created overnight. In fact, it's been in process for many, many years. You see, we've been on this journey since our humble beginning back in 1983. At that time, we had the vision of bringing in compute platforms to the industrial automation marketplace. By 2010, it became more apparent that our partners expected more than just great industrial hardware from Advantech. The importance of being able to remotely monitor and gain access to these devices at the edge of a network was imperative. And with the advancement of cloud computing, Advantech in 2015 started to build out solution-ready packages, or what we call SRPs, to address these various needs. In 2018, we began to formally place emphasis on how we could scale AIoT to truly innovate and move through these markets we serve with more precision. But we quickly realized we had to spend more time building out and formalizing our ecosystem partnerships, adding new channels, leveraging APIs from SIs and ISVs to build what the various markets expected, needed, and deserved, and sourcing domain experts inside their markets to help deploy these solutions inside their respective areas. All of this is the co-creation business model. So here we are today. We're squarely looking at AIoT and its apparent challenges that early adopters of IoT faced in the past. Many of those legacy POCs failed to reach commercial success. The infrastructure and some of those successful installations aren't scaling to the ever-evolving needs of a multi-tenant, multi-cloud world. And some of those laggers that never adopted IoT, they're still unwilling to make IoT investments because they just don't simply want to be the guinea pig. These are all very real challenges that we face in AIoT. So here at Advantech, we're looking to formalize the ecosystem and value chain of industrial AIoT in some of the various markets that we serve, ranging from industrial automation, smart cities, equipment, energy, power and management, healthcare, logistics, and retail. We truly believe that with our WisePass platform being the central agent, connecting these various SRPs to these markets can help accelerate the success of AIoT. Now, we're looking to expand on our ecosystem partnerships. Ecosystem partnership isn't a new or innovative idea, but at Advantech, we are committed to building meaningful partnerships so we can bring seamless edge-to-cloud solutions to bear. In 2019, your partnership is imperative to our continued success, and we believe today's webinar will provide a clear picture of how we can work together. Now, I'd like to hand it off to Dr. Alan Yang, who's the Advantech CTO, to share with you more on Advantech's WisePass platform and how we are looking to engage in new partnerships so that we can co-create an IoT world.